Hello. So I'm doing a side hustle today. Today is June 17th. Just received a notification from iVueIt. Let's take a look at what that actually is and how you can make some money on the side. First, you want to download this app called iVueIt. Once you download it, tap in. Tap in. So basically it gives you a list of locations in your area where you can actually go do some work with your own phone, take pictures and things of that nature. Let's see what we have to do today. I'm going to hit my views and I have to go to TST residential posting view visit vehicle in Aurora. 4.2 miles away is what it says. Let's click on it. So I have until 9 p.m. to complete this mission. This is a door knock service, attempt to make contact provided. It actually gives you the tips and details. Takes about 15 minutes, guys. Let's see what this actually takes place and what it actually does. All right, so I'm at home. I'm gonna go take a look at this particular view. Let's see how far it is in my GPS. All right, so we're gonna head to the destination. The route is about 7.3 miles away. Well, that's a little bit misleading because on the app it showed 4.3 miles. This one's saying 7.3. Maybe I can dispute or refuse that or see if I can get some compensation, but let's do it. We're going to head this way and we're going to complete the task at hand for iVueIt. All right, we're going to complete the task at hand. Right now it's 5:15 Central Time. Let's go view it. There's a million ways to make money. What you broke for? Let's go. You got a swimming pool. You got to maintain it. You got to get this money and withstand it. I see somebody blocking my blessing. Move. I see they blocking the blessings out here. Let's go make a connection. Like they move. What's up, man? Say hi to my video. This the Amazon driver. Let's go, Amazon. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Now, generally, from my experience, if you go out and you're doing an iVueIt and you present yourself as a presentable person, you shouldn't have any kickbacks or anything like that. So far, I've done Lowe's, I've done TJ Maxx, I've done Speedway, I've done a couple broad name locations where people just need pictures of the landscape and things of that nature. But come on, guys. Let's be realistic. You're going to think something's weird seeing a gentleman out there just taking pictures of random things, not introducing themselves. But you have someone that's presented themselves like this, wear some ID just in case someone has some questions. Generally, you can complete your iVueIt task without any problems, and people there are just going to support you because they have a job to do as well. All right, what I'm doing here is printing up a little bit of paperwork. Some jobs are a little bit more technical. And like I said, if you're going out there taking pictures of property and things of that nature, you definitely want to make sure you're backed. So with this here, if the customer or landowner or homeowner or landlord wants to know who I am or what am I doing, I will present them this paperwork with the case number here before we go out there and execute the task at hand. All right, we got our paperwork. We might not even need it, but let's go, guys. Let's go complete this task. All right, so I am in my vehicle right now, going to complete the task at hand for iVueIt. Let's say we have about 19 minutes, 7.6 miles. But the app, remember, guys, the app is telling us it is 4 miles away. So we're going to dispute that, but we're going to complete the task at hand. It's not about that. We're going to complete the task and let you see how it's done. Let's do it. Go on the way. All right, safety first. Please drive safe, guys. Put your darn seatbelts on. Hold me accountable. Got it. And it is very hot out. I gotta cut the air on, guys. So this would be great for us to just talk and to see what actually takes place. So it's about 16 minutes in my GPS. I don't know if I'm that long-winded, if I can keep you guys entertained that long doing this, but I can definitely entertain you longer doing something else, you know, indubitably. But yeah, it's very hot out. I got the air on. We're just thankful. First off, we want to thank God, His Son Jesus, for everything they've done for us. We're thankful for the blessings, thankful for a vehicle, thankful to be able to go on this journey with you guys out there. Okay, if you got a towel, dap my head for me, because it's wet. You know, yeah, we're almost there. It says about 15 minutes. Like I said, I'm not that long-winded, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the phone off, guys. I'll cut it back on once we get closer to our destination. Thank you. We're 8 minutes away. I always wondered, why does one of the best actors of all time, Remember the Titans, be making faces like that? I guarantee it. I stand by it. I'll stand by this view it when we get there. We're about 8 minutes away, guys. Stay tuned. 2 minutes to our destination. Let's turn in here. We're going to park according to where the GPS says to park. Mission asks for 3222. All right, we're here at the select destination. We have at least 3 hours to complete this view. Please read the descriptions and requirements. Once you get to your destination, which we're here, it says it's going to take about 15 minutes, so I guess $1 a minute. It's up to you how you want to spend your time. I'm gonna go ahead and start view. And it tells us what we need to do. So we have to do 10 to 37 questions. Oh my God. The overview, this is a knock service. Attempt to make contact, blah, blah, blah. Print the 2-page document that we printed earlier, blah, blah, blah. Important, only the contact letter to be placed in an envelope. Please sign to acknowledge that by performing this work, you accept the terms and conditions. Sign it. All right. We signed it. So we did print the paperwork, but as far as the envelope, can't afford it. Sorry. All right. It says, please capture photos of the printout and envelope once sealed and written on. Oh, wow. So I'm going to, wow. Well, let's do it. So this is the paperwork that they have out for me here. We got to follow instructions. It says capture and print photo. So let's do it. All right. This is the paperwork here. We do not want to put their name in it, but we got to get a picture. Boop. And let's get out and make stuff happen. All right, guys. So normally with iVueIt, you usually take pictures of landscape, pictures of the site, pictures of the job, pictures of the restroom, pictures of the business, just so they're compliant and things of that nature. But this one's a little bit different. I'm going to be an actual debt collector today. Let's see what we can find out. Stay tuned. Let's go. So this task is not too bad. I just have to drop this paperwork off. Unfortunately, I do not have an envelope. So that's going to be tough. Let me see what we can do to improvise. All right, so this is the part where you have to get a little creative. I'm in the area, I'm in the vicinity. I have the paperwork to give to the resident. I don't have any envelopes. I'm gonna ask them for an envelope so I can build their guess. Let's do it. We just want an envelope so we can drop off this bull stuff. Let's do it, man. What happens when you ask, guys? I just asked these lovely people in here for an envelope. They're gonna take care of me. I offered to pay. She said, no more butter. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Cut it off. All right, guys, we got the envelope. Let's go put that letter in here. And then we're done. You just made 15 bucks. All right, the instruction says print the 2 pages of paper. It says sign your signature, capture photos of the printout and the envelope once it's sealed. So now that we have the envelope, let's put this paper in the envelope and we'll take another picture. All right. Instructions say confidential. 4, then you put the borrower's name. Do not include this page in the envelope. Required photographs. Do not include individuals in the photograph. One of the residents and one of the car. And get out of here. All right. So you follow these instructions. We got the envelope. We're going to put this paper in this envelope. We're not going to put this paper in this envelope. I don't know why that's there, but that's crazy. Let's do it. All right, all right, you just follow the instructions. We got the paperwork, we got the envelope. What type of building is it? It's an apartment complex. Take a photo of the structure at the provided address and the vehicle. Include numbers in your photographs. Let's do it. So we're looking for a Hyundai Sonata. Get them. All right. Let's go follow instructions. It told us to take pictures of the address and the residence. And when you're taking your photos, guys, you want to make sure you're using a landscape. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to do a landscape. Bow. We just took that photo. Bow. Right? And it also says get pictures of the vehicle. That's tough. I don't see no Hyundais out here. But I'll get pictures because I'm a snitch. Yep. So you just follow the steps. It was an apartment complex. We took photos of the apartment complex. Was the complex name posted? No. Carport for your car. Was the vehicle out there? No. With any vehicles? Yes. Did I speak with somebody? Yes. A third person. And I finished this at 6:01. We're going to slide to submit, and that's it. So now they're reviewing my money. I should get $15 in a couple minutes. You tell me if it's worth it. I want to personally thank you all for this journey today. Thank you for spending time with myself. As you see, we communicated, we had a little fun, made some money along the way. Also educated ourselves on a new app, iVueIt. Make money, use your vehicle, take pictures, using your cell phone, get back in your car, go home. Hey, thank you guys. I kept the car running just in case somebody would have came out with a shit bang bang. I gotta live.